Hi guys, thank you so much for watching the Kriya. This is Dhanushri and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I'd be really happy if you do so. So in today's video, we are going to do like a green hair color from Paradyes, and yeah, I can't wait to show you the results. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is how my hair looks. This is the before. I think for some reason दोनों side अलग-अलग लग रहा है, or maybe I've not parted them properly, but this is how it looks. I had crinkle violet and pink इसके पहले, and उसके पहले I did ruby wine. Ruby wine का video will be up, so I'll mention the link here somewhere. So do check it out. We're going to color it Paradyes का Mayeri Green. That's what we're going to use to wear the gloves. पुराने वाले ग्लव्स होंगे, that is why there's color on it. And I took the पीछे वाला cushion out because what if it gets spoiled? I don't wanna मम्मी की डांट नहीं खानी किसी. So anyway, we are ready with the gloves, and I'm not going to tie or do any partitions. Directly I'm going to take the color and just go in. I've made sure there are no knots. So smells nice. My God, I wanted to do green hair for so long. It's finally happening. You spread the color on all the hair. Open up the hair and see if there's any strand that's left and I've not colored. We're done with the one side. Now let's move on to the other side. 45-60 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off. Let's see what color we get, because I'm not sure. I had bleached hair, I had pink hair. So yeah.
One eternity later.
I just did the shower and that's the close-up shot of my hair. It's still wet, but I couldn't wait to show it to you guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.